In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can connect your Spreadshop on your YouTube channel. You can simply add your Spreadshop products directly to your YouTube channel in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your YouTube studio. On the Earn page, select Shopping right here. Tap on Connect Shop. Select the option of Spreadshop. You will have to read and understand all the terms and conditions. Then select Accept. Tap right here to redeem directly to Spreadshop. If you already have an account on Spreadshop, log into your account. And if you do not have an account, tap on Get Started. Select your current region. Add any email of your own choice. Then after choose your password. Tap on Get Started now and your Spreadshop will get added to your YouTube channel successfully. That's how easy it is to connect your shop to your channel on YouTube. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.